So what makes SecondMarket so special? We're addressing a big problem that exists, and that is that there's tens of trillions of dollars of financial assets that don't trade on exchanges. Everybody's familiar with equities and bonds and options, yet everything else, which is what we're focusing on, completely dwarfs what trades on exchange, yet no one has created a centralized marketplace to trade those assets. So what makes it so special is we're providing a place finally for buyers and sellers to come together and get the best price. So what country best facilitates the startup of a technology company? I've seen a lot of companies come out of countries all around the world, some very, very exciting companies, but I still believe that the U.S. Really is the best place to start up a company. And there's really three reasons why. One is, I think the top talent is in the U.S., whether it's U.S. citizens or it's foreign citizens who come to the U.S. to come to our great schools. Two, I think it's access to capital. There's thousands of investors in the U.S., venture capital firms, angel investors that are interested in getting involved in the next big thing. And three, I think this is really important, is it's okay in the U.S. to fail as an entrepreneur. I think it actually, in a lot of cases, helps you learn, and whereas in other countries, you're oftentimes penalized for having a failure, and you don't get the same support to start a company again in the future. What makes an innovator? I think an innovator is an individual or a team that identifies a big problem that exists and comes up with a solution that disrupts the status quo, despite how entrenched the incumbents may be. And from that perspective, I think SecondMarket is a true innovator. How does SecondMarket contribute to improving the state of the world? I think it's important to bring trust and transparency back into our financial system. Over the past couple of years, we've seen the major financial institutions around the world making so much money off of the spread and the opacity that exists in trading these assets. So we think that by providing this global platform, bring together all the world's buyers and sellers, we can bring some trust back into the system and really revolutionize the financial markets.